Email marketing is important, really important. It's how you talk directly to people who are interested in you. Think of it like this. You wouldn't shout your message in a crowded room hoping someone hears it, right? You want to talk to people who actually care about what you have to say. That's what email marketing does. It helps you build strong relationships with your audience. When people sign up for your emails, they're saying, "Hey, I like what you do. Keep me in the loop." That's valuable. Email marketing is also super affordable, especially compared to things like advertising. You can start for free and grow from there. Plus, it's easy to use. There are simple tools that make sending emails a breeze. Most importantly, email marketing helps you sell your products or services. It's a direct line to people who already know, like, and trust you. And that's how you make sales and grow your business. Before you send any emails, you need to know who you're talking to. Who are your ideal customers? What do they like? What are their problems? This is crucial. Think of it like finding your tribe, the people who will resonate with your message the most. Imagine you're selling handmade jewelry. Your target audience might be women aged 25 to 45 who love unique handcrafted items. They might be interested in fashion, art, or supporting small businesses. See, you're starting to paint a picture. Once you know who you're talking to, you can tailor your message to them. Talk about things they care about, solve their problems. This makes your emails way more effective because they feel personal and relevant. Remember, people buy from people they connect with. So before you hit send on that email, ask yourself, am I speaking directly to my ideal customer? If the answer is yes, you're on the right track. Now that you know who you're talking to, it's time to start building your email list. Your email list is like gold. It's a collection of people who have given you permission to contact them. That's powerful. But how do you get people to sign up? Offer something valuable in exchange for their email address. This could be a free ebook, a discount code, exclusive content, or access to a webinar. Think of it as a little gift that makes them say, "Yes, I want that." You can collect email addresses on your website, social media, or even in person at events. Make it easy for people to sign up. Use clear calls to action like join our free newsletter or get your free ebook now. Remember, your email list is a valuable asset. Treat it with care. Only send high-quality content that your audience will love. And never, ever spam people. That's a surefire way to lose subscribers faster than you can say unsubscribe. Let's talk about segmentation. This is where email marketing gets really interesting. Segmentation is like dividing your email list into smaller groups based on shared characteristics. This could be their interests, purchase history, location, or anything else you can think of. Why is this important? Because it lets you send more targeted and relevant emails. For example, let's say you own an online clothing store. You wouldn't send the same email to someone who just bought a winter coat as you would to someone who's been browsing your summer dresses, right? Segmentation allows you to personalize your emails like never before. You can send special offers to people who haven't bought anything in a while, or you can send exclusive content to your VIP customers. The possibilities are endless. By segmenting your email list, you'll see higher open rates, click-through rates, and ultimately, more sales. It's a win-win for everyone. Crafting emails that get opened and read. Okay, so you know your audience, you're building your email list, and you're segmenting like a pro. Now, let's talk about the emails themselves. How do you create emails that people actually want to open and read? First, keep it concise. People are busy. They don't have time to read novels in their inbox. Get to the point quickly and use clear, easy-to-understand language. Second, personalize your emails. Use the recipient's name if you have it. Mention their past purchases or interests. Make them feel like you're talking directly to them, not just blasting out a generic message. Third, use a conversational tone. Write like you're talking to a friend. Be friendly, approachable, and even a little bit funny if that's your style. People are more likely to engage with emails that feel personal and authentic. Finally, always include a clear call to action. What do you want people to do after reading your email? Click a link, buy a product, sign up for a webinar. Tell them, don't leave them guessing. Subject lines. The first impression matters. You've crafted the perfect email, but wait, before you hit send, take a look at your subject line. Your subject line is the first thing people see in their inbox. It's like the headline of your email. If it's not catchy, they're not going to open it. Here are a few tips for writing subject lines that get clicks. Keep it short and sweet. Aim for 50 characters or less. Use strong verbs that create a sense of urgency or excitement. Think, get, discover, unlock, etc. Personalize it if possible. Use the recipient's name or mention their interests. Ask a question. This can pique people's curiosity and make them want to learn more. Use emojis sparingly but effectively. A well-placed emoji can add personality and make your subject line stand out. Remember, your subject line is your one chance to make a good first impression. Make it count. Visual appeal matters. Make your emails look good. We're visual creatures. We like things that look good. That's why it's important to make your emails visually appealing. You don't need to be a graphic designer to create attractive emails. Just keep a few simple tips in mind. First, use high-quality images. Blurry or pixelated images will make your emails look unprofessional. There are plenty of websites where you can find free or affordable stock photos. Second, use white space. Don't cram too much text or images into your emails. Give your content room to breathe. White space makes your emails easier to read and scan. Third, use a consistent brand identity. Use your brand colors, fonts, and logo in your emails. This helps people recognize your emails and builds brand consistency. Remember, your emails are a reflection of your brand. Make sure they look polished and professional. The power of tracking. See what's working. Once you start sending emails, it's important to track your results. This tells you what's working and what's not. Most email marketing platforms have built-in analytics that show you things like open rate, the percentage of people who opened your email, click-through rate, or CTR, the percentage of people who clicked on a link in your email, conversion rate, the percentage of people who completed a desired action, such as making a purchase or signing up for a webinar, unsubscribe rate, the percentage of people who unsubscribed from your email list. By tracking these metrics, you can see which emails are performing well and which ones need improvement. You can experiment with different subject lines, content, and calls to action to see what resonates most with your audience. Remember, data is your friend. Use it to improve your email marketing and get better results over time. Don't be afraid to experiment and test. Email marketing is not a one-size-fits-all approach. What works for one business might not work for another. That's why it's important to experiment and test different strategies to see what works best for you. Don't be afraid to try new things. Experiment with different subject lines, content formats, and calls to action. The more you test, the more you'll learn about what resonates with your audience. One effective way to test is to use A/B testing. This involves sending two slightly different versions of an email to a small segment of your list, and then sending the winning version to the rest of your list. Remember, email marketing is an ongoing process of learning and improvement. Embrace the journey and don't be afraid to try new things. You got this. Embrace the power of email marketing. Congratulations, you've made it to the end of this crash course on email marketing for beginners. Now you have the knowledge and tools you need to start building your own successful email marketing campaigns. Remember, email marketing is all about building relationships with your audience, providing value, and ultimately growing your business. It's not about spamming people or tricking them into buying from you. Start small, be consistent, and always focus on providing value to your subscribers. With a little effort and a lot of heart, you can achieve amazing things with email marketing. Now go out there and make it happen. You got this.
Are you ready to discover how to take this information and apply it to start getting results fast? Tap the link below or go to mastermindwebinars.com. Come and create your free account to get hours of valuable training on website optimization, list building, email marketing, AI, automations, mindset, and so much more. Click below and unlock this wealth of free training today.